Most sport yachts in the mid 70-foot range top out around 35 knots. The Sunseeker 75 Sport Yacht pushes to 40 without giving up cabin space below. Built by Sunseeker at their Poole, England yard, the 75 Sport Yacht is the next generation of Sunseeker's Sport Yacht line, engineered around a design language built for symmetry, from the topsides down to the stern. Twin MAN V12 diesels, offered up to 1900 PS each, up to 3800 PS combined. Top speed reaches 40 knots. At a 10-knot cruise, fuel capacity of 1,268 gallons carries this yacht up to 700 nautical miles, running on twin shaft drive. 75 feet 8 inches overall. Beam of 17 feet 8 inches. Draft of 6 feet 2 inches. A double-piece windscreen opens the main deck to light, with a spacious foredeck seating 6 forward of the helm. The stern itself is a design feature, with dual steps leading from the bathing platform to the aft cockpit, and a tender garage built to house a Williams 395. Up on the Flybridge, a second helm and companion seating share space with a chaise-longue sunpad. Stainless steel air intake cowlings and handrails carry the finish through, with carbon fiber trims and reflective surfaces continuing the theme inside. Below decks, 3 cabins, 4 optional, sleep up to 8 guests, each guest suite fitted with its own ensuite, plus a shared day head off the lower hallway. The full-beam master cabin adds a dressing table, chaise-longue, and generous wardrobe space. Bottom line, the 75 Sport Yacht pairs sharp performance with a design-led layout that spreads its living space across 2 full decks. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.